In the currency quadrant, taking a look at the December euro currency futures, which despite some potential bottoming action, the euro still finished lower on the day and on the week. This is the fourth session of lower prices in the last 5 and the eighth in the last 10, which makes sense in the context of a 4-week consecutive losing streak for the euro. The total move lower for this week is just short of 0.6% lower, but the move over the last 4 weeks is 3.3% lower. The high today, 108.62. That was only up 15 basis points. The low, 108.24 half. That was only down 19 basis points. And with a little bit of time left in the session, we're still down 17. So we're basically right near those lows. German data over the last 2 days has gotten better, and Germany is the economic engine of the EU. Yesterday's Germany's manufacturing PMI came out better than expected and better than the last month's release at 42.6, which is admittedly still deeply in contraction territory, but it did get better. German services PMI rose to 51.4, which was better than expected and better than the last print, and takes that a little higher into expansion territory, which is a good thing. Today, we got German business expectations, current assessment, and the Ifo business climate index, and they were all better than expected and better than last month's reading. Now, the Eurozone economic data is not necessarily following and performing better. But if Germany consistently starts to perform better on economic data, that engine component of the German economy could drive the rest of the EU into a stronger situation. In the meantime, next week, we've got EU GDP and consumer price data due out, and those could push the euro in one direction or the other, although right now the trend is obviously still for much lower prices.